Ay guys, still here at Auto Culture. Siyempre kasama rin Brian Cunan. And guys, eto nandito tayo sa JDMU Underground event mga auto. So siyempre kasama natin, sino ba? Ang co-founder ng JDMU Underground, Sir Joel Sapanta. Ayan. Boss, kaway muna tayo. I'm sure you're very busy dito sa event na to. Boss Joel, hindi ko na patatagalin. Paano ba nagsimula sa JDMU Underground, boss? Yeah.
Tough long battery, tough and long lasting.
First of all, it's a JDM Underground.
Okay,
yes.
Sige, boss.
We started way back 2008. We're a bunch of friends from Honda Club. And our common passion is building up Japanese cars into, actually, Philippine cars into Japanese spec cars. That's how we started. Then throughout the years, the number of attendees grew and grew. Until now, we're conducting indoor events on a yearly basis now. We started back in 2023 at the SMX. It's the first indoor car meet in Manila. And this is the second one, the PICC. Started with a bunch of friends, less than 20, in Green Hills. That's the first.
Pero ngayon, Sir Joel, sobrang dami na, Sir Joel.
Yeah, we have lots of members already. And right now, we can't accommodate the whole lot because the indoor spaces in Manila is very limited. Actually, now it's limited to less than 100 cars inside. So I hope next year we can get a bigger place to accommodate an even amount of cars.
Mas maraming members no? Mas maraming members pa.
Sobrang daming quality members. Not maraming members, but sobrang quality.
Yes.
Actually, ang JDM Underground, pinipili namin talaga yung members namin na hindi naman show cars lahat. Basta clean builds, quality yung builds, then okay yung character nila, then you can be one of us.
Yun, Boss El, nabanggit mo na rin. Ito, boss, ulitin ko. Paano ba sumali sa JDM Underground, boss? Sige po.
Yeah, you can... at www.jdmunderground.ph and please wait for your account to be approved. Once you're approved, you can post and you can see when will be our event, our YN, or even our fun runs, if we have any. You can always see them at the forums only, not on Facebook group or whatever.
Yun, yan. Siyempre, lagi na, gawa na kayo ng mga account, mga auto. So, siyempre, para at least makita rin. May screen nila kagad, no? Tama ba, Sir Joel, no?
Yeah.
Okay, Boss Joel, siyempre, ito, last question, boss. As a car enthusiast, boss, anong pwede mo mapayo sa mga gustong pumasok sa car industry, boss? Sige po.
Yung nahihilig ngayon sa kotse, much better you start with a very good platform. Let's say, kung gusto mo mag-upgrade ng cars, yung tuner-friendly, marami ng parts. And also, build kung ano yung gusto mo talaga. Don't build kung ano yung nakikita mo sa iba lang na hindi mo naman type. It's better to build. If you want the team na gusto mo, build it on your own. On your own pace also, para walang pressure. Kumbaga, hindi ka na-pressure dahil yung mga barkada mo ang build spoon, pwede ka naman mag-build ng ibang team ng cars.
Ng tema mo, no?
Madami. Para meron kang, I always say this, para meron kang sariling character yung kotse mo.
Identity, tama,
Yes,
Sir Joel.
para whenever you see the car, you will know the person, the owner, dahil yung kotse niya kakaiba.
Well said.
Ganon.
Boss Joel, I'm sure you're very busy to sa itong event na to. Very thankful lang Auto Culture na bigyan mo ng kaunting oras, boss.
Yeah.
Boss Joel, promote na tayo ng JDM Underground.
Promote JDM Underground, no?
Okay, boss.
Anyway, you can visit our website, www.jdmunderground.ph. Or if you want to join, you register and wait for your account to be approved. You can also check on our Facebook page, the JDM Underground Philippines.
Yun, well said. Okay, Boss Joel, okay na ba? Boss, baka meron gusto i-shoutout, boss, sa mga tropa.
Okay. At shout out sa lahat ng
Shout out.
members, lahat ng JDM Underground members, and lahat ng friends din namin na JDM Underground since the start, since 2008. Na lahat din ng car communities, lahat naman, peace tayo sa lahat. So, ano lang, chill lang tayo lahat. Let's be friends.
Yun, up tayo dyan, Boss Joel. Okay, Boss Joel, okay na ba?
Oh yeah, okay.
Okay, so guys,
Thank you.
Okay, so guys, isbahin ko na and Sir Joel Zapada, co-founder of JDM Underground, mga kota, and this is Auto Culture.